Well, hey ladies, I thought I'd do a little video follow-up on what we did this morning in our lesson. If you remember, we're going to take the G right here, take that G note, and then we're going to use that note and just play all the chords we can come up with all around it and use that as a vocabulary to do some exploring with. So we know G, there's a G chord, okay? So you can play that, the G chord, and we'll be playing these in different inversions. So let me just run through a bunch of stuff here, okay? Also, we could also do like an F with that G on top. That's an F major 7/9. That's an interesting little sound. And y'all came up with a thing of there's E minor 7th. There's an E minor with a G. So let me just go through some of these things. That sounds good. E flat major 7. There's a D sus. See, it was just resolved there. I wonder if you could do it with some form of a C sharp D flat. Well, you could do that. There, right there is a C sharp suspended, and it would resolve down to the C. We talked about how C could be one. What about that minor? I mean, the diminished. You know what that really makes? If you put that G on the bottom, that's a G7 chord in first inversion. See that? So there that is. If you did a B flat with that G, that would sound good. A minor 7 with that G, that's good. A7. Ooh, I wonder what about an A. That's an A diminished. Ooh, that sounds sort of good. You can also do A flat, that's a major 7. How about A flat minor? I use that all the time, going from like this. That kind of idea. And then there's several we just messed around with. F minor 7. You could do that. What about a G flat? There's a G flat, major 7 with that on top. It's really tense, but you can make it resolve. You could do that and then slide down to the F. Okay. So anyway, just take that right there, and there's that diminished. Well, here, how did we do that? We added the diminished 7th to it. Remember that? A fully diminished chord. Here's a G. That G, B flat, D flat, F flat. So anyway, these are all the various ways that you could do some things. There's plus a lot more you can mess with. So just take that G. Take that G and just make some harmonic chordal progressions around there. And I'll see you again next time.